Welcome back, you guys, to another video. And on today's video we're going to be talking about how the car is loud. Now if your car is muffler delete or like straight pipe like mine, fully straight pipe, now you know like the cold start is really loud. The car is already loud, but with the cold start it's freaking loud. Now in order to fix this problem, now you may ask, why have you done it if you don't like it that loud? Well, the reason why I'm showing you guys this, or I'm saying this, is because in the morning you guys like the car sounds really great. It sounds amazing. I like it that way. But in the morning, your neighbors, the people, you don't want to disturb the peace. So you want your car to be sound fair, not that loud, especially in the morning. So you want your car to be a little bit less loud, not as obnoxious loud. And this is what I'm going to show you guys. So I found a video of a guy showing that you use like this kind of material. It's a fiberglass. Now there's a disclaimer right here. Feel free to read it. It's not safe. This is the purpose of this video, is educational. It's up to you to do it or not. I'm doing it, so it's up to me. And then I highly recommend that you use like a two-piece of vinyl gloves. I would say 2 of them. So here's the thing. The fiberglass, the vinyl gloves, and the other thing, I've bought 4 of these, they call muffler silencer. And what I've done is I wrapped it around with the fiberglass that I cut, and I wrapped it around it. Now this is supposed to make your your exhaust sound low, but with adding the fiberglass, it makes it really less loud. Alright, now I don't know if this could harm your engine or do something bad to your car. Now in that matter, I would just use like one of the tips. I would just want one muffler silencer, and I insert it in one of these tips, because I know my car is like, these 2 are one from the turbo, that just one exhaust. So 2, that means 1, so I would just insert 1, so it would have like a free air comes out of the second one. Now if yours comes with only 1 tip, I would either like lightly wrap the silencer, like lightly with the carbon, with the fiberglass that you have, or just leave 1 free to the air and the second one insert it. Or I would honestly, I would just do light wrap. I think that would be better for your car, and I only would use it for the morning. I would not use it as a permanent solution. So this on your own risk, guys. I'm not responsible for what you're gonna do, how you're gonna do it, how much you're gonna do it. So it's it's only on your wrist, but it should work. It will muffle the sound really good, at least in the morning. Okay, this is with, this is without.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feel?